Hello, my name is Yasmin Portales-Machado. I'm a second-year doctoral student in the Spanish and Portuguese department. My dissertation project studies the depiction of romantic relationships and family building in three Cuban science fiction books: Espiral by Agustin de Rojas, Fábulas of an Extraterrestrial Grandmother by Daina Chaviano, and Habana Underguater by Erick Mota. Cuba has a history of uh, conquest, indigenous genocide, colonial rule, African and Afro-descendant slavery, and a present marked by structural racism, environmental pollution, and climate change. Yet, it is a singular country in the Caribbean because after the 1959 revolution, it overthrew the US-based dictatorship and installed a communist government with the support of the Soviet Union. After that, Cuban science fiction, because of that, Cuban science fiction was influenced by US science fiction literature, but also by Eastern Europe speculative fiction tradition and a variety of sources from Japanese anime to Star Wars. Yes, because science fiction speculates about the future, its political references and plots have been the source of many studies. In the case of Cuban science fiction studies, most of the research has been focused in the relation between the gender and the state. These include analysis about the new socialist man, the relation between government policies and gender or subgender choices, and the literal Soviet influence in the identity of science fiction writers. These theoretical frameworks produce political readings where elements like gender relations, sexual orientation of the characters, or family structure have been read as political metaphors, not as ideas with inherent value. My research uses gender theory, queer theory, and Marxism to understand the character sexualities as a specific expressions of material circumstances and cultural heritage. I understand sexuality not only as explicit gender expressions and sexual practices, but also as a complex personality trait, influencing interpersonal relations, the character's ideas and actions regarding romance and family. I hope that my research will give a new perspective to a substantial literary corpus, until now mostly analyzed according to its critical position regarding the Cuban government. The characters' ideas of intimacy, the sexual norms of these imagined societies speak about current Cuban societies, but speak too about the way its intellectuals imagine the future of the nation.